The Business Pilot Speed Challenge. Schedule an install and inform the customer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
Business Pilot, when you don't have time to mess about.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67.
If you want the fastest, easiest to use business management tool for your installation company, then you have come to the right place. Business Pilot is the award-winning system built for installers by installers. Grab your free trial today.